In the business report, the Development Bank of Jamaica, DBJ, has received strong credit confidence from Caribbean Information and Credit Rating Services Limited, CARICRIS, with the regional ratings agency reaffirming the bank's credit ratings and assigning a stable outlook, recognizing DBJ's strategic importance to Jamaica's economic development, strong financial performance, and sound governance. The Jamaica Stock Exchange has suspended trading in the shares of two junior market companies for failing to submit their audited financial statements. Trading in the shares of Kintyre Holdings and Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company was suspended with immediate effect on Wednesday. The JSE says both companies have failed to submit their audited financial statements for the year ending December 31, 2025, which were due on March 31 of this year. The Jamaica Stock Exchange says the suspension will remain in effect until Kintyre Holdings and Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company submit their required audited financial statements. Time now for a look at the movements in the financial market with Denise Williams.
For the trading period of July 1, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Wigton Energy Limited with 11,465,698 units, representing 40.27% of market sales activities. Omni Industries Limited with 4,161,533 units, representing 14.62% of market sales activities. Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 1,497,335 units, representing 5.26% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for July 1, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $158.79 and buying at $157.39. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $2.18 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $111.18 and was bought for $109. The British pound saw continued volatility and offered short-term trading opportunities of $5.59 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $210.62 and was bought for $205.03. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing, currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, you know your partner's favorite food, vacation destination, and love language, but have no idea what their credit score is, how much debt they carry, or whether they consistently pay their bills on time. Then one day, a conversation about buying a home, financing a car, or starting a business revealed a financial reality that neither party was prepared for. The issue isn't debt. The issue is whether both people understand the financial risks they are asking each other to share. A low credit score is not a character flaw. It is financial data. Like any data, it should prompt questions, not assumptions. Questions like, what happened? Was the low credit score or the credit score challenge caused by job loss, illness, divorce, poor financial education, or repeated overspending? More importantly, what has changed? The answers matter far more than the number itself. The healthiest couples don't merge finances because they're in love. They merge financial strategies because they've earned each other's trust. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.